Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chappie. Today is going to be all about detachable wheels for our Chappie 2.0 sports bag. Let's get right into it, guys.
So first we drew up our mock-up to see how it's actually lining up and if it fits to our card. Once we get it to the Cura software, we started printing it. And once the prints were done, we could actually check out how these two pieces fitted together. After a few trial runs, we hit the sweet spot and we could actually fit the axle into the plastic mold. Now Robert here is going to show us how you actually put these pieces together. So how this works, if you push the button, you actually see the notch coming in and out. So if attached to you, you push the button and you simply push the wheel on. You let the button go and it's locked tight. Let's give it a try. Spin it around and hold it upside down. Push the button for release. So now it's actually time to fit that block onto our frame. And this is the end result of our first blocks that we fitted to the frame. So once we were happy with that, we actually needed to use make some new end caps. So we drawn them on our computer. This was the first print result. Second print result looked already much better after a few modifications. And this is the end result. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to know if we upload a new video. See ya!